In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your funds from the Fiat and Spot wallet into the USDT M Futures wallet. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also talk about personal development and so much more. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in seeing more of, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated for my next video. Alright, so how do you transfer the funds that is inside your Fiat and Spot wallet into the derivatives account? It's very simple. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. Promise it's going to be very quick and easy for you to follow. Just follow it step by step. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do obviously is to log into your Binance account. So once you log into your Binance account, this is where you're going to get to the main page. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to derivatives. So hover to derivatives, and on the drop down menu you want to go to USDT and futures. So USDT futures is where you are able to trade cryptocurrency that is currently available on Binance. You can trade Bitcoin, you can trade Ethereum, BNB, XRP. There's like so many cryptos that is available for you to trade on the USDT futures. Essentially, the USDT futures is basically how you are betting against the market. It's when you can place long and short position. So you can bet against the price of Bitcoin or any other crypto that you want to trade. Just to keep it simple, buy long basically means that you're saying that the price is going up. So when you place that order and the price of the crypto that you're trading actually starts going up, then you start making money. And sell short is basically you saying that the price is going to go down. So once you place a sell short order and the price starts going down lower than the price that you enter from, that's how you start making money. Okay, I have a video that I go more in depth about this, so if you're interested in that, make sure to check it out up here. I will also include it in the description box below. Anyways, let's get right back to the purpose of this video, is to find out how we can transfer the funds from your Fiat and Spot wallet into the futures wallet. So what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and now you want to click on transfer, which is on the right here, okay, where I am hovering. You click on that. So in this pop-up box here, on the area where it says from, you want to click that and make sure you select Fiat and Spot, because that's where we want to transfer our money from, okay, from the Fiat and Spot. And in the to section, you want to make sure that you select the USD M futures, okay. So on the coin option, you come down here and you select what coin it is that you want to transfer to your USDT M futures wallet. Make sure that that coin actually is inside your Spot wallet, because if it isn't, then it's not going to show up here. Most likely your money will be in USDT, okay. For me it is, so I will select USDT, and then you put the amount of money that you want to transfer. I honestly don't even have that much there. So you can see here I only have 58 cents. Anyways, so you put the amount here. You can transfer the whole amount in your account there, or you can just transfer some, okay. So once you've done that, you want to hit confirm, and then you can see the money will be transferred into this USDT M futures wallet. And you can see your balance right at the bottom here. You'll see it right here. It will tell you exactly how much you have. And once you have the balance in your wallet here, you will be able to do some futures trading. That is it, guys. That's how simple it is to transfer your funds from your Fiat and Spot wallet into your USDT M futures wallet on Binance. If you would like to find out how you can transfer the money out of the USDT and Futures wallet back into your spot wallet. I have made a video about that as well. I will put the link to that in the description box below, so make sure you check that out if it is something that you would like to learn how to do. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day.